What's up, guys? It's Cande Rivers, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make different color lipsticks with your color palette for your eyes, eyelashes, your eyelids. So I like to paint. I like colors. So our base. My outfit today is designed by me. How am I gonna do this? This outfit you can wear indoors, outdoors. It's fancy enough to dress up, and it's also comfortable enough to go to sleep in it. Just depends on how fancy you want to be. I prefer no clothes, but then that's a problem right now because my husband is an Italian and they do not like closing the doors, so it's a billion mosquitoes in here. And then I woke up, y'all, and I got so many mosquito bites. Y'all pray for me. All right. So our base today is gonna be Hot Passion with CoverGirl by CoverGirl. It's an old stick, but it's still beautiful. So I'm gonna start there. I like this because it's glossy, which makes it a good base for color mixing. All right, this is kind of dirty, but this is what I need. So you're just gonna, just like a canvas, not a canvas, easel, paint holder. Just go against it very small. I don't want it too dark though, because you know when you I know it's probably easier to just buy the lipstick, but what if they don't have the shade that you want or that you have in mind? Then what? So this is probably the easiest method to get what I wanted. I think it's a beautiful color. You can either keep it like this, or I'm gonna gloss it. I'm gonna do a gold gloss over it. So that's the color. Then I'm gonna use this LA Colors High Shine Shea Butter lip gloss. I think I got it for my birthday like almost 2 years ago, but I don't be using stuff like that because certain colors are better. And there you go. How to make your own lipstick. I gotta cut this though. If you guys like what you watch, what you learn, just go on and do a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, and show me the colors that you make up with your palettes. good to yourself. Peace out. Peace out. Be good to yourself.